Okay, so now I leave Freiburg, I walk towards Bern. It will be about 8 hours to walk, I think. So yeah, should be pretty good. Yes. So today I actually forgot to fill my water bottle, so I don't have any water with me. So today I'm not walking along the road because I found this really nice path that my host told me about, and I can follow this all the way to Bern. But I don't think there will be any shops. I don't know what I will do about that, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. Alright, so now I was in the shop and I got some water and some fruit, so yes! So now it is, what is it? It's 20 minutes past 8. So I've been walking for 2 hours. I'm not in the forest anymore. It's only like road. I don't know where the forest went. Maybe I did the wrong way somewhere, but this is also the right way, kinda, probably. Okay, so now I'm walking. I have no idea where I am. Yeah, I think maybe this is right way, kinda. Yeah. Alright, well, so I'm a little lost, I think. Okay, so now I'm in Bossingham, so that means I'm back on track, so it's good. So yeah, now I should go this way. Alright, so now it's 10:30. And I'm about halfway, so yeah, it's pretty good, and now I'm pretty sure I'm on the right road, and yes. Alright, so I'm back in the forest. So it's really good to walk, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the right way, and I'll be in Bern soon. Alright, so now it's 2 o'clock and I am in Bern. Bern. Yeah, so it's really good. So now I just see if I can contact my host and maybe meet her. Right, so now I met my host, Chantal. So it's pretty good. And now we're going into the city for this street music festival.
Yes.
Yeah.
The name is Buskers, and it's just
Buskers.
Street artists. They're gonna be playing really nice music. And yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, sounds good.
And so this is where you're staying.
Oh.
House.
Yeah, so this is the Norwegian folk band in Swiss. So what do you think?
I love it. I love it so much.
Cheers.
You're meeting all my couch surfing guests. I love it.
But this is quite fun, you know?
Yes,
because you're like you guys from
also start to do it.
yeah, you're couch surfing guys, people. You're just fresh. It's like a different thing. Hello.
Yeah, so now we're finished in the festival. So it was really good, and now I'm here with Alan and Chantal, my host again.
And we go back, and I have to continue writing my seminar paper.
Yeah, because this is important.
Yes, it's very important.
And I have to sleep because tomorrow I will walk again. Woohoo! So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make sure she writes.
Yeah, alright.
Gonna motivate me.
I see. Yeah.
Hello.
Pretty good. This is the house tour. We go down to the basement. There is the office.
Checking this place out. This is an old print shop.
Yeah,
Things like this don't happen anymore.
in the basement of the house.
I drew this ages ago.
Ooh.
But there's 3 floors to the print shop and 2 floors to live upstairs.
So it's 5 floors.
Yes. Okay, so you wanna go to the creepy room?
Yeah, let's do it. See. Oh, okay. So we go into this box.
Let's twist that whole thing.
Oh shit.
And here we are.
And the light's not working.
Nope,
So you don't really see anything.
but we can... Okay,
Oh.
there we go.
So this is the secret door.
My dad likes to collect cars.
You can open the museum here. Oh,
So crazy, you have this room just...
It's a secret room.
Alright, back in the box.
Okay. Let's turn. Okay, now you will like this. Here are the machines. And these are
What the
old
fuck?
machines.
What?
oh my god, they have a food elevator.
Huh? They have a... What? Foot elevator?
I will send you stairs.
It's a food elevator. You have restaurants.
Okay,
Right.
so I can put something here,
Yeah?
and then I can send it upstairs. But after we have to go upstairs to get it.
Yeah, because you need the key.
Yes, exactly.
But you can't put it back down?
Yes.
Yeah?
So now it's empty.
Oh shit. Yeah. Huh?
There's nothing. It's upstairs. And actually, you can also go to the other side.
Right. Yeah.
Is this ink
I don't know, maybe.
or oil?
It's every chemical. And
Oh, and the
here-
key is back.
It's just normal print job. I don't know. Let's take the elevator.
Elevator.
An elevator.
What the fuck?
Hello, guys. It's just 1 floor, but
This is great. Oops. You can have so much fun with this.
Yeah, just running around the house with this.
yay! Okay.
Storage.
Yes. And surprise, we have a kitchen over here.
A kitchen in the storage.
Yes.
Oh.
And you can actually run a meth lab down here.
And there's so many rooms here, you know.
Okay, so that was all of it?
Yes.
Or is it more?
It's all a lab here.
A workshop for art.
Yeah, we can go this way.
This is the stairs.
Yes.
Oh, this is the TV room.
Yeah.
You've got a cinema. A legit changing room.
Oh, here is one. Oh, I have lighters here too.
A freaking antique.
Do you want? Take. Take.
You never
Oh.
know.
But I have more upstairs, which...
Let's camel.
Yeah.
What is this chemical?
It's salt.
Oh. So this is where the smell's coming from. Now I get it. I actually get it now. I have a walk too. Come on. So Tiger, what you think? Is this what you expected when you came here?
Yeah, let's go to Bern to this printing shop and... No, it's
She
crazy.
deserves a 5-star rating.
It'll come up here. If I send something.
Yeah, this is the place it goes up.
Yeah.
Uh,
There it is.
so crazy.